crab. Orange. A starfish can be orange. Orange pumpkin. Here, fish your ball. What can be orange? Carrots can be orange.
I am a mountain. I am a mountain, and I'm tall, so tall, so tall. I am a mountain. I am a mountain, and I'm strong, so strong.
Lion. What else?
Roar.
The lion does say roar. What else did we find?
What do you turn on and off?
What's on and off? Right. Very good. What about the thing we climb? What is that called?
Ladder.
Ladder. What is it?
Red.
Good job, Elizabeth. Wow.
Squishy. Lemon.
Good job.
Lemon.